Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother DCP T530DW printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds. After that scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in a search type Brother DCP T530DW printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.brother.com official website of the Brother printer. Here we find downloads and here we find our printer model number. Open the first link, whatever first link is. Official website of Brother printer is open. Here we find OS. OS means operating system. Select Windows. In a OS version, select Windows 10 32-bit if your machine is 32-bit. If Windows 10 is 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the OK. It's redirect you to another web page. Here we find two drivers are IMP for us. First is the full software package. Download that from here or go to the drivers and download printer driver and scanner drivers for USB. I prefer to go with these drivers, so I click on these drivers. It's redirect me to another web page and click on agree to download at the bottom. It's also redirect to another web page and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete properly. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and this setup file is a zip file and we are going to unzip it. That is very easy to unzip it. Double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds, click on yes. It's unzipped our files on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds, click on OK. It's completed. Here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on it, click on this newly created folder GDI and here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install these drivers. That is also easy and the simple. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. At the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on the add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here you find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 301, USB 302, USB 303, USB 304. Select any USB port that you want. Select USB port, click on the next. Here we find hardix. Click on hardix, click on the browse. Go to the desktop, select desktop from here and double click on this newly created folder or GDI folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file. All file contains same printer driver. Select any file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find menu printers. Find our printer name T530. Here we find our printer Brother DCP T530DW printer. Select that printer, click on the next. Give any printer name that you like. I go with the same printer name, Brother DCP T530DW printer. Select the next, click on the next. It's installing our printer. It takes few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finished. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds and if you find your printer name Brother DCP T530DW printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.